Las Vegas is famous for its bright lights and endless entertainment, but many travelers wonder how safe it really is. Today, we're answering the question, is Las Vegas safe? While sharing practical tips to enjoy your visit without worries. Before we move, drop a comment and tell us where you're watching from. 6. The Strip. Walking along the Strip offers endless sights and activities, from street performers to luxury shopping. Treat yourself to the secret menu at Egg Slut for a tasty breakfast. Visit the Bellagio fountains for an unforgettable spectacle, and snap photos with the themed hotel attractions. Stick to well-lit areas and avoid isolated alleys for safe exploration. 5. Red Rock Canyon. For a natural escape, hike the trails of Red Rock Canyon, pack local snacks and enjoy a scenic picnic. Drive the 13-mile scenic loop for stunning desert views, and discover hidden rock formations unique to the area. Always stay on marked paths and carry plenty of water to ensure safety while enjoying nature. 4. Chinatown. Venture into Chinatown for a different side of Las Vegas. Sample dim sum at Raku, a local favorite, and join a cooking class for an immersive experience. Check out the colorful murals and boutique shops that make this district unique. Be mindful of crosswalks and traffic, as the area can get busy during peak hours. While these destinations can get expensive, you can still find great deals if you know where to look. To help you stay on budget, I've linked the best rates I found for hotels, flights, and attraction tickets right in the description below. 3. Neon Museum. Step into Vegas history at the Neon Museum. Taste local food trucks nearby for a quick snack, and join a guided night tour to see vintage signs glow. The museum is perfect for photography enthusiasts looking for something distinctive. Stick with the guided paths to ensure a safe and enjoyable visit. 2. The Arts District. Discover street art, galleries, and craft markets. Grab artisanal coffee and enjoy live music events. Don't miss the weekly First Friday Festival, which highlights local creativity. Keep your belongings secure, especially in crowded events. 1. High Roller Observation Wheel. Ride the high roller for panoramic city views and enjoy specialty cocktails on board. Sunset rides are especially magical, and the views of the Strip are unmatched. Arrive early to avoid long lines and always follow staff instructions for safety. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe to stay updated on all the best travel guides and safety advice for 2026.